Good afternoon and welcome to our press conference with President Lagarde and Vice President de Guindos. My name is Wolfgang Preußel.
The Governing Council today decided to lower the three key ECB interest rates by 25 basis points. In particular, the decision to lower the deposit facility rate, the rate through which we steer the monetary policy stance, is based on our updated assessment of the inflation outlook, the dynamics of underlying inflation, and the strength of monetary policy transmission.
This question is on the way forward. So you say that your monetary policy is becoming meaningfully less restrictive.
We have huge uncertainty. Some people have used the adjective phenomenal uncertainty, and we debated as to whether it was high and rising, but suffice to say that it is all over. So we have risks all over, uncertainty all over.
You said in the past that the direction of travel was clear, and the only question was...
We know that tariffs, and particularly if there is retaliation, are not good at all and are net negative on pretty much all accounts. But that's my personal view. Although I think we around the table of the Governing Council, we all agreed that it was net negative when it happens, and it's even negative before it happens, because the uncertainty that is generated and the undermined confidence that results from just the threat of those tariff increases and potential retaliations are putting a brake on investment, on consumption decisions, on employment, hiring, and all the rest of it.
Do you see more diversity of views regarding the current economic outlook or regarding the medium-term outlook? And
increasing friction in global trade is adding more uncertainty to the outlook for euro area inflation. A general escalation in trade tensions could see the euro depreciate and import costs rise, which would put upward pressure on inflation.
Your previous assertion that, there might be a question about the speed of travel, but
typically, investment in defense are a source of innovation, therefore will improve productivity. We are very attentive to that, and we are hoping that it will have those impacts on the European economy. Is it a whatever it takes moment for the German economy? It's not for me to say. It's for the political leaders to appropriate that expression. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity. President Lagarde, I have two questions.
One thing that around the table of the Governing Council was clear is that on both accounts, that would be supportive to European growth at large and would be a boost to the European economy. Now, everything is going to be a factor of the details. Where will the purchases take place? What will the timing be? What will the financing be? And all of those are, obviously political decisions that are not within the remit of the central bank. But we are very attentive to what will come out of today's meeting in Brussels and further development on the German political scene to appreciate the economic consequences. Thank you.
Defense spending, do you think this investment should be accompanied by accommodative financial conditions?
That concludes our press conference today. Thank you very much for following us. Our next press conference is on April 17.